What really makes me passionate about the aesthetic industry is the opportunity to be able to blend my medical expertise with advanced aesthetic treatments to be able to create personalized, bespoke, natural outcome. Having spent close to around 20 years as an anaesthetist previously, I bring with my practice a lot of precision and safety, and alongside that, a deep set knowledge in anatomy, skin physiology, and regenerative medicine. Because of all this, I'm able to ensure a good enhanced look, but I'm also able to ensure holistic skin health as well. The other thing that really appeals to me is the honor to be able to be on a patient journey, to be able to understand their concerns, to be able to create a bespoke treatment plan for them. And there's nothing more intriguing and satisfying than to see the confidence boost that can be created with a well-executed treatment. So my favorite treatments are regenerative in nature, essentially because I feel that they focus on the enhancement of the body's own natural healing and rejuvenating capacity. And the beauty about these treatments are that they are safe, they have minimal downtime, and they are extremely versatile. They include treatments like polynucleotides, platelet-rich plasma treatments, and there are many more. So the beauty about offering polynucleotides in the under eye area is that there are very few treatments out there which can be given in this delicate area. The skin underneath the eye is close to around 2 to 4 times thinner than the rest of the skin of the face, so the lines and wrinkles are seen much sooner here. It's an injectable treatment, and the needle that we use over here is called the invisible needle, which is a really tiny needle. We are, with that help, be able to go above on the upper lid as well in the crow's feet area and the lower under eye area. And by injecting these fragments of DNA, what it does, it basically stimulates the fibroblast to produce more collagen, gives a good collagen boost. It's an anti-inflammatory and improves the skin quality and improves the cell barrier, and therefore helps in the lines and wrinkles underneath the eye. So another area where polynucleotides can be used is for hair restoration. It can help in improving the skin health and promoting follicular growth. And when it is coupled with a treatment, which is another regenerative treatment like platelet-rich plasma, which basically involves taking a small amount of blood from yourself and centrifuging it and injecting it back into the hair areas, especially which are where you're losing hair, it kind of acts synergistically with the polynucleotides to be able to restore the hair growth, prevent hair fall, strengthen the existing hair, and basically helps in hair restoration. My top tips for getting the best out of treatment is, first of all, it's very important that every treatment comes with an aftercare instruction, and it's very important to follow those aftercare instructions to have the best possible outcome. The second thing is the regenerative treatments are not one-off treatments. They are a series of treatments, a couple of treatments placed around 2 to 3 weeks apart. And it's very important to commit to the entire treatment range and also follow it up with the maintenance treatments, because then that gives it the best possible chance to be able to have the best possible outcome. And also polynucleotides work at a very cellular level, so it takes time to boost the collagen, a couple of months to see the effects of the treatments that we have. So it's very important to be committed for the entire treatment sessions that are advised. What do you think?
Oh, I don't know.
So yeah, I have had a few treatments myself. I have had anti-wrinkle treatments as a prophylactic, kind of a preventative treatment to prevent the deepening of the static lines, because as we age, we are losing the collagen and the elastin. So this basically helps in that. The second thing that I really am interested in and that I've had myself is an energy-based treatment called therapy, where we use ultrasound energy to target and focus the deeper layers of the skin and to be able to kind of stimulate collagen, and as a result of which that creates more structural integrity on a long-term basis. So I'm really proud to be part of the Cosmetic Skin Clinic team, because this is a place where we offer a wide variety of treatments with the latest technology. So the beauty about being part of such a skilled team is to be able to have the facility to collaborate with different practitioners who have different expertise across the board, to be able to create the best possible outcome that can be achieved for our patients.